Cranberries, orange. Cranberries, orange. Let's make a cranberry orange beer. I'm Bradley with 2B Brewing, and today we're going to try my hand at a cranberry orange ale. As you can tell, we're going to need cranberries. 12 ounces or 1 pound frozen cranberries, 1 orange, 3 pounds Pilsen Light DME, some brown sugar. We're going to need 8 ounces divided into 2 4-ounce additions. Our hops, we have fruity and floral Cascade, along with our bittering and slightly spicy Magnum. Our yeast we're using is Safale S-04. This is going to be a 2.5 gallon batch. We're going to boil with 2 gallons, dissolve our DME, add 4 ounces of our brown sugar. We're going to use 1/4 ounce of each of the hops for 20 minutes. We're going to cool our wort down. While it's cooling down, we're going to prep the cranberries. We're going to pre-rinse the cranberries in case there's any loose stuff in the bag. We're going to take a cup of water in the cranberries along with the other 4 ounces of brown sugar. Mix that together, and we're going to bring it to a slow, medium heat until the cranberries kind of burst. We're also going to add some zest of this orange. Once most of the cranberries have burst, this smells so good. We're going to take our cranberry mixture and let that cool down. We're going to take 4 ounces of that mixture and put that into our sanitized fermenter. We're going to take another 4 ounces into a freezer safe container with some more orange zest. The remaining mixture can go into a different freezer container. Those mixtures will get frozen. We're then going to take half the orange, peel and all, minus the seeds, and put that into our fermentation container. The remaining half of orange, go ahead and freeze in a freezer safe container as well. Cut up and freeze. Add in our wort. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notified when more videos come out. Add our yeast. We're going to let that ferment at 66 degrees F. After 5 to 7 days of initial fermentation, we're going to thaw out our remaining orange, and we're going to thaw out the cranberry mixture, not the 4 ounces we set aside. That we will then add into the fermenter once it's all thawed. And then let the fermenter sit again because it'll probably do a little more fermentation. On bottling day, we're going to take the remaining 4 ounces of the cranberry mixture, add that to the bottling bucket, along with 1/2 ounce of corn sugar dissolved in some cup of waters, whatever, as additional priming sugar. That'll be our bottling day. After that, we'll see how it tastes. Hey, we're sampling the cranberry orange partial bottle that we had from bottling. Best I can guess, this came at around 5.2%. Ooh, there's a hint of orange in there. So I've had a few of these already, and I can tell that there's a definite haze. It doesn't really seem to even come out, but the cranberry scent is very, very faint on the back end. It's tasty. Different, but tasty. Like I said, I've had a few of these before. There are instances where I find the orange very prevalent and sometimes almost overpowering, but yet it's completely drinkable. And then there are other instances where the orange is very faint. Yeah, it's more faint than this one. Kind of an odd rosy hue. But this is still tasty. I think I'd like to try this again with doing half an orange and see if maybe that allows the flavors to meld together very well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notified when more videos come out. Until then, I'm Bradley with 2B Brewing. I'll see you next time.